Imagine you're at a coffee shop and you overhear a conversation that catches your attention. One person is telling their friend how they managed to save a lot of money in just a few months. You lean in a bit closer, curious to know their secret. What you hear next might surprise you. It's not about making big sacrifices or earning a huge salary. Instead, it's about knowing exactly where to put your money. In today's world, managing money can feel overwhelming. There are so many options and advice out there that it's hard to know where to start. But don't worry, we're here to make it simple for you. By focusing on 7 key areas, you can take control of your finances and save money faster than you ever thought possible. These 7 areas are essential for anyone looking to build a strong financial foundation. They cover everything from emergency funds to investing in your future. Each step is designed to help you make the most of your money, no matter your current financial situation. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan to start saving and feel more confident about your financial future. So, let's dive in and discover where your money needs to go. Number 1. Emergency fund. An emergency fund is a safety net for situations. It's a stash of money set aside for unexpected expenses, such as car repairs, medical bills, or job loss. Having an emergency fund can prevent you from falling into debt when life throws you a curveball. Experts recommend saving enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This might sound like a lot, but you can start small. Begin by setting aside a little money each week or month. Automate your savings if you can, so the money goes into your emergency fund without you having to think about it. Look for ways to cut non-essential expenses and put that extra cash into your emergency fund. For example, try cooking at home instead of eating out or canceling subscriptions you don't use. By consistently saving, you'll gradually build a solid emergency fund, giving you peace of mind and financial security. Number 2. High-interest debt repayment. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, can quickly spiral out of control. The interest piles up fast, making it harder to repay what you owe. To regain control of your finances, it's crucial to tackle this debt as soon as possible. There are 2 popular methods to pay off high-interest debt: the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. With the debt snowball method, you focus on paying off your smallest debts first while making minimum payments on the others. Once a debt is paid off, you move on to the next smallest. This approach gives you quick wins and keeps you motivated. The debt avalanche method, on the other hand, targets debts with the highest interest rates first. By paying off high-interest debts sooner, you save more money in the long run. Consider consolidating your debts or transferring your balances to a card with a lower interest rate. This can make payments more manageable and reduce the total interest you pay. By focusing on paying off high-interest debt, you can free up money for other important financial goals and reduce your overall stress. Number 3. Retirement savings. Saving for retirement is one of the most important financial goals. Even if retirement seems far away, starting early can make a big difference. When you save for retirement, your money grows over time through compound interest. This means you earn interest on both the money you save and the interest it earns. One of the best ways to save for retirement is through a 401k plan, especially if your employer offers a matching contribution. This is free money that boosts your savings. If your employer doesn't offer a 401k, consider opening an individual retirement account, IRA, or a Roth IRA. These accounts also offer tax advantages, helping your money grow faster. Try to save at least 10 to 15% of your income for retirement. If that seems too much, start with a smaller amount and increase it over time. The key is to start now, even if it's just a little bit. By making regular contributions, you'll build a strong financial foundation for your future, ensuring you can enjoy a comfortable retirement. Number 4. Short-term savings goals. Short-term savings goals are important for things you want to achieve in the next few years, like buying a car, going on a vacation, or making a big purchase. Having these goals helps you stay focused and motivated to save money. First, decide what you're saving for and how much money you need. Then, figure out how much time you have to reach your goal. This will help you determine how much you need to save each month. For example, if you want to save $2,400 in a year, you need to save $200 a month. Open a separate savings account for each goal. This way, you won't mix up your savings and can easily track your progress. Consider using a high-yield savings account to earn more interest on your money. Make saving a habit by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This way, you won't be tempted to spend the money. Number 5. Investing. Investing is a powerful way to grow your money. Unlike just saving, investing lets your money work for you, potentially earning more over time. The sooner you start, the more your money can grow due to compound interest, where you earn interest on your initial investment and the interest it earns. There are many ways to invest. Stocks, bonds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are common options. Stocks let you own a part of a company. Bonds are like loans you give to companies or the government, and ETFs are collections of stocks or bonds. Each has its risks and rewards. Start by learning the basics of investing. Consider your risk tolerance, which is how comfortable you are with the ups and downs of the market. If you're new to investing, low-cost index funds are a good start. These funds follow the market and are less risky than picking individual stocks. You don't need a lot of money to start. Many apps and online platforms let you invest small amounts. The key is to start now and be consistent. Number 6. Education and skill development. Investing in education and skill development can greatly improve your earning potential. By learning new skills or gaining more knowledge, you can advance in your career or even switch to a better paying field. This kind of investment pays off in the long run, making it easier to achieve your financial goals. Start by identifying the skills that are in demand in your industry or the field you want to enter. There are many affordable ways to learn, such as online courses, workshops, and certifications. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer a wide range of courses that you can take at your own pace. Don't forget about free resources, too. Many libraries offer free access to educational materials, and there are numerous free tutorials and videos available online. Setting aside time each week for learning can make a big difference over time. By continuously improving your skills and knowledge, you increase your value in the job market. This can lead to better job opportunities, higher salaries, and more financial stability. Investing in yourself is one of the smartest financial decisions you can make. Number 7. Charitable giving and philanthropy. Charitable giving and philanthropy are ways to use your money to help others and support causes you care about. Giving to charity not only benefits those in need, but also brings personal satisfaction and a sense of community. To start, choose causes that are important to you, such as education, health, or the environment. Decide how much you can afford to give, even if it's a small amount. Every little bit helps. Donating money isn't the only way to give. You can also volunteer your time or skills. Many organizations need help, and your time can be just as valuable as money. By giving to charity, you can make a positive impact on the world and experience the joy of helping others. It's a meaningful way to use your money and enrich your life. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.